Toshkentga yetib keldik. Me'mor bilan land. Yarim kechasi. Birinchi kun me'mor bilan landni xudo xolasa endi o'qish o'rniga ketyapmiz. Qizlar, bolalar. Wow.
Yeah, that's it. We are tired. Go home soon.
Ha? Video. Land uz bilan me'mor uz kechki dars jarayonida. Bu kishi ijodlari.
Ijod qilyapman. Sangaga yetarkan.
Yeah, let me. So this would be parallel, I believe.
Yes, that's right. Yeah. Yes.
Lightness back into this background, which is.
So some no filming.
Complexity and the chaos, but then there's things.
Ikkinchi kun darsimiz tugadi. Jamoa bilan endi qaytyapmiz asta.
Супер девочка.
Gap sotmay. Bitta arab qamalasi bor.
Kadr biziz.
So, points. Yes. And so some of the language we use is based in that colonial archaeology. So I try to be careful with the language.
has done this. We have done this. But I would say that it is not just this room that has done this. I would say that this is part of a greater culture. We have to thank the people 400 years ago, 500 years ago, made this copy of something which was already existing, in the same way as we make copies of flowers which are already existing. So the person who made this piece can also thank the person who made this piece. The person who made this piece can thank the person who made this piece. So we can all thank each other. We started looking at the flowers and transforming those flowers into a stylized form.